This video deals with problems in data analysis in the Gre quantitative section. We have a particular table which gives us the category of problems faced by an airline in the year 2003 and 2004. So approximately how many complaints concerning credit were received in by 2003? So the first column stands for 2003, and for credit the complaints is 1%, so that is 1 by 100 of 22,998, which is 229.98, that is approximately 230. By approximately what percentage of the total number of complaints, what percentage did the total number of complaints decrease from 2003 to 2004? So in 2003, the total number of complaints was 22,998. In 2004, it was 13,278. So the decrease will be 22,998 minus 13,278 by 22,998 into 100%, that is 42.26. So the decrease is approximately 42%. Which of the following is true? In each of the years 2003 and 2004, complaints about flight problems, baggage and customer service together accounted for more than 50% of all the customer complaints received by the airline. In 2003, the sum of flight problems, baggage and customer service. Flight problems, baggage and customer is 20 plus 18.3, that is 13.1, which is greater than 50. In 2004, the sum was 22.1 plus 21.8 plus 11.3, which is again greater than 50. So the above statement is true, that is the number of complaints about flight problems, baggage and customer service in both the years accounted for more than 50%. Number of special passenger accommodation complaints was unchanged from 2003 to 2004. In 2003, number of special passenger accommodation complaints was 0.9. So that would be 0.9 by 100 into 22,998. In 2004, the complaints were 0.9% of 13,278. So the complaints actually decreased because though it is 0.9%, in 2003 we are taking 0.9% of 22,998. In 2004, it was 0.9% of 13,278. So the complaints decreased and the above statement is false. From 2003 to 2004, number of flight problems complaints increased by more than 2%. In 2003, the number of flight complaints was 20% of 22,998 as per the table. In 2004, it was 22.1% of 13,278. So the number of flight complaints decreased because 20% of 22,998 is definitely less than 22% of 13,278. So this above statement is also false. Question 4. 600 applicants were rated from 1 to 50 points. The ratings had a mean of 32.5 points and a standard deviation of 7.1 points. How many standard deviations above or below the mean is a rating of 48 points, 30 points and 20 points? Now 48 minus 32.5, mu is 32.5 and sigma is 7.1. So 48 minus mu by sigma is 48 minus 32.5 by 7.1, which is 2.2. So 48 is approximately 2 standard deviations above the mean. 30 minus 32.5 by 7.1 is minus 0.4. So 30 is approximately 0.4 standard deviations below the mean. And 20 minus 32.5 by 7.1 is minus 1.8. So 20 is approximately 1.8 standard deviations below the mean. So basically we are checking the value minus mu by sigma. For more videos on Gre Quant, visit my YouTube channel. This is the channel ID